Hello everyone, hello to all my 10th Titans. How are you everyone? I hope you all are doing great and you all are fit and fine. So before I start today's live class of most important competency and case study based question from the chapter pair of linear equations into variables. So before I start the session, please let me know everyone, is there everything is fixed? I'm audible to you all and I'm clearly visible to you everyone. Please let me know in chat section. Yes sir, your voice is clearly reaching to us and you are fully comfortably clearly audible, so that I may start the session, today's live class of pair of linear equations into variables. And in this today's class I'm going to solve only questions, and the questions will be from competency and case study based question. As you all know, the entire pattern of CBSE has changed. Namaste, hi everyone, hi learning. So you all know, my dear champion, the entire pattern of the CBSE has changed. The question, most of the questions that will be appearing in your board exam in 2027 will be from competency based questions or case study based question, value based questions, right? So you cannot rely only on NCERT textbook. Apart from NCERT, you have to solve a lot of questions from different kind of books. I mean, questions based on your day-to-day life, application oriented questions that require your critical thinking, problem solving skill. And that is the reason why I have come up with this important live class. So in today's lecture, I am going to solve only questions, and the questions are competency based questions and case study based questions. My dear 10th Titans, my dear board champions, see, you don't have a lot of time. You have almost entered in mid of the June, because today is 9th of June, so almost half of June is already completed. So you won't realize when your half-yearly examination will come in front of you. So my dear, you don't have a lot of time, so utilize your time in best way, in positive way, so that you can make sure your board preparation in proper direction everyone. And this channel is fully dedicated for that, to ensure you guys for your board preparation fully comfortably well. So stay connected with this channel and let's begin today's session. So without wasting a moment, I hope everything is fixed. Am I audible to you all champions, class 10th Titans, board warriors? Yes, please let me know in chat section. Yes sir, you are audible, you can proceed. Yes, please let me know in chat section. Am I visible to you all? Okay. So it would be very nice of you guys if you sit with your notebook and pen, so that you guys can also practice along with me. Okay, better to solve questions along with me simultaneously, right? Everything is fixed everyone, please let me know. Okay. The student who is new here, who has joined the session for the first time on this channel, Deeksha Vedantu CBSE English, welcome everyone. So let's move ahead. So without wasting a moment, let's do questions. So the first question, presenting you the first question for you all. The question is, so let me give you some tips and tricks how you guys, hi Arush Bansal. So look at the question. You don't need to be panic. Read the question carefully. Hi Arush. Arush, my name is Sonu. You can call me Sonu Sir, your maths faculty, and I will be teaching you guys mathematics, and I'll be ensuring you your preparation, board preparation strongly everyone. Your name, hi Arush. So you can call me Sonu Sir. Thank you so much for asking my name. Okay, so look at the question. A school organized a fair. The entry ticket for adults and students was different, okay? On the first day, 3 adult tickets and 5 student tickets were sold for rupees 190. On the second day, 4 adult tickets and 2 student tickets were sold for rupees 180. Okay, so there is an information given to you, there is a story given to you, and by reading the story, by making the equation, you guys have to answer these questions. So there are 4 questions given below, and you guys have to answer these questions by making the equation after reading the questions very carefully. So let me give you the solution. Hi everyone, the student who is new here, I welcome you all, everyone wholeheartedly. Stay connected with the channel, and it would be very nice everyone if you sit with your notebook and pen, and please make sure to solve the questions along with me simultaneously. And it would be very nice. It would be very appreciating if you guys reply me answer quickly before me, right? So I'm expecting this thing from you all. So let's solve. So in this question, we are talking about a event. There is an event which is going on in a school, and there are some entry tickets. I mean, few entry tickets are charged to enter to get entry in that fair in a school event. So the entry charge we don't know, but there are few stories given there. Few condition is given there, right? So what we have to do, we have to suppose the entry charge for adult and student, because we don't know the entry charge, what exactly the entry charge for adult and the entry fee for the student, we don't know. So we have to suppose. So I'm solving here. So what we need to do, suppose, or we can say let the entry fee for adult be X rupees. So let's suppose the entry fee for adult is X rupees. Hi Ayush, hi everyone. So let's assume the entry fee for the adult be X rupees, and suppose the entry fee for our student be Y rupees. So we have supposed here the entry fee which is required to get entry for the adult person is X rupees, and for the student that may be Y rupees. Now read the first statement. The entry ticket for adult and student was different. Okay, so we have supposed X and Y. On first day, 3 adults. How many adults are there? How many adults took entry on the first day? 3 adults and 5 students. So for 3 adults, according to question AQ, 3 adults. So what is the charge? We have supposed for one adult X. So that will become 3X. Plus, because adults and student both are getting entry combined, so 3X plus 5Y. 5 student are there, and Y rupees is required to get entry for our student. So 3X plus 5Y, that will be equal to how much they have paid? Yes, rupees 190. So that will be equal to 190. We have, this is the first equation. Now moving to the second. On the second day, 4 adult tickets, 2 student tickets were sold for 180 rupees. How many adults are taking entry? 4 adults. And how many students are there? 2 students. So what will be the second equation? 4 adults, so 4x. And 2 students, and 1 student is paying rupees Y for 1 student, so 2Y. That will become 2Y, and which is equal to 180. So we have second equation we have is equal to 4x plus 2y is equal to 180. I hope till here everything is clear. Yes, Arush is writing 3x plus 5y is equal to 90. Hi, easy, very good. Hi sir, hi Manish, very good. Arush. So Arush, if you are comfortably, if you can get the value of x and y, that is good. Forming only the equation is not a big challenge. After forming the equation, how to solve the equation, this is also the task. So make sure to find out x and y also. Yurichi, hi Yurichi. Okay, so 50% part of the solution is done, because making the equation is very important. Forming the equation is very important, in which most of the student get stuck. I mean, this is the most challenging thing for the majority of the student, to forming the equation after reading the question that is given there in theoretical part, right? So this is very important. Once you have done with the equation, the rest part is mathematics. So what we have to do? We have to solve the equation, and to solving the pair of linear equation into variable, we have 2 methods. By the way, there are 3 methods: substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. You can follow any one, but as per the CBSE syllabus partition this year, the cross multiplication method has excluded, so you have to follow only two methods, substitution method or elimination method, right? You are free to apply anything, but I generally prefer for this situation elimination method, because in elimination method we can eliminate X family entirely or Y family entirely. But to apply the elimination method, the coefficient of whether X family or Y family should be similar. So here I want to eliminate here X family. So here the X family has coefficient 3, and in this equation, second equation, X is having coefficient 4. For coefficients are not equal to each other, so we have to make the coefficient equal to each other. And how we can make the coefficient equal to each other? For this we have to multiply equation number 1 by 4 and equation number 2 by 3. What will happen after this? So 3 into 4 will become 12x and 4 into 3 will be 12x. Can you see here? The coefficient of x has become equal to each other. Yes, this 4 will be impacting difference here on these number also, no doubt. But our intention is to make the coefficient of x similar, because we want to eliminate X family. So after multiplying, what will be the scenario? Let me show you the scenario here. So this will become 12x plus 20y is equal to 190 into 4. 190 into 4. What will be 190 into 4? So we have to multiply 19 into 4 and putting 1 0 also. So we all know 19 4 what happens? 760. Right? So this will be 7. Now after multiplying 3 to this entire equation, this will become 12x plus 6y is equal to 18 3 we all know 54 and one more 0. Now subtracting this. So if we subtract these numbers, I mean equation 2 from 1, after multiplication, this 12x will be eliminated. Yes. Yeah, correct, Arush. Great job, Arush. Perfect. Okay, now, so X family is entirely eliminated, and this was our target. We want to eliminate any one family, whether we can eliminate X family or Y family. Why? After eliminating, there will be only one variable, Y. Yes, now we can solve Y. This is the target. Eliminating entirely Y family so that there will be only X family. Or you can eliminate entirely X family so that there will be only Y family, so that you can ensure to find out the variable easily. So 12y minus 6y, when we subtract the equation, sign changes. So positive sign will become negative, positive will become negative, positive will become negative. Cancelled. And 20y minus 6y will be 14y is equal to 760 minus 540. What will be there? This will be 0, 2, and this is 2 here. Right, so this is 760 minus 40, so 0 0, 6 minus 4 will be 2, and 7 minus 5 will be 20. So y we are getting here is 220 divided by 14. 220 divided by 14. Yes, everyone. Yes, what will be the next, everyone? Tell me how we can find the value of x and y now after this. Everyone, tell me. 3x plus 5y is equal to 180, 4x plus 2y is equal to 180, and we have applied here elimination method. Anything is there? If we cancel here, this is 7 2 ja 14 and this is 110, and can we cancel this? 4 3 ja 12, 3 2 ja 6y, and this is 540, 3 4 ja 12x, and this is 5 4 ja 20y, and this is 760. After subtracting, 12x will be cancelled with 12x, 20y minus 6y will be 40y, 760 minus 540 will be 0064 minus 2, and 7 minus 5 will be 2. So y can be written as 110 divided by 7. So if we cancel here 110, so what will be the result here? Yes, what will be the result? Come on. Everyone, 40 by exactly x and y also. Everyone, is it clear, everyone? Find out x also. Come on, find out x also quickly. I'm waiting for the response, everyone. Solve all the questions. There are 4 questions given, everyone. There are 4 questions given, everyone. Solve the second question also. Who is this? Arush. Understood. Very good. Moving to next. Come on, guys. That is approximately. We can find out the approximate value. Y is equal to 110 by 7. What will be the approximate value? If anyone asks you, what is the cost of something? So you cannot reply in fraction format. You have to find out the value. So 17 divided by 110 divided by 7, 7 7, yes, 50. 7 7, 7 4, 7 5, 30, 15 point, I think 7, yeah. This will be the result, approximate. 15.7 will be the approximate result. Approximate. Now find out X. Yes, Arush. See, so Y is what? Y is the entry fee for a student, for a single student. This is the entry fee. 15.7 rupees required. We have to pay, if you are a student, you have to pay 15.7 rupees at the entry gate to get entry in the event. Now moving to X. So find out X. So to find the value of X, we can use any one equation. Original equation. Don't take equation after multiplication. Make sure to take original equation. So it can be written as 3x plus, I'm using the first one, 5y is equal to 190. So what is here? Y, x, 3x plus 5 into y. Y we have is 110 divided by 7 is equal to 190. Can we solve this? 3x plus this will be 11 5 55 550. This will go there. 3x is equal to 190 minus 550 divided by 7. So let's solve this. 3x is equal to 190 into 7 minus 550 divided by 7. Okay, so 3 will also go there because we are calculating here x. So 190 into 7 minus 550 divided by 7 into 3 will be 21. Solve this. Just solving this, you can get the value of x. I hope everything is clear. Swati, hi. Swati is asking, sir, can you repeat from starting? Yes, Swati, I can repeat for each student is there. If anyone is confused there, one student is important for me. Yes, of course, Swati, I can repeat it again for you. Just wait little while. Y is 200 by 7. Confirm? Confirm, Arush? Your answer is correct. Confirm? So solve this, guys. Please solve this. Solve this, everyone. I'm waiting for the answer. Then I will repeat the answer from starting. Sir, understood. Hi, Sai. Very good. Superb, Sai. Find out x. Find out x here. So 19. See, my dear champion, if you are multiplying 190 with 7, please ignore 0. Come on, please ignore 0. Multiply 19 with 7. Come on. Multiply 19 with 7. Then you can put the 0, whatever the result you are getting. So 190 to 7 will be what? Please make sure. Okay, sir. Thanks. Yes, please do it. Come on. Solve all the parts, every part. There are 4 questions given. 1, 2, 3, 4, everyone. Yes. Clear, everyone? Oh, we all know, yaar, 90 into 7 will be 133. So put one more 0 there. So x will be equal to 133. After multiplying 90 into 7, but one more 0 is there. So put 1 this minus 550 divided by 21. Okay, now subtract the numbers. So this will become 0, 0 will be 0, 13 will be 8 there. This is 13 now, so 8, 5, this is 13 will be there. Okay. Now, this is 12, so this will become 780 divided by 21. So can we please cancel this? So it can be cancelled as 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, and 3 6 ja 18. So this will be 260, 263 ja, and this is 7 3 ja. So x we have is equal to 260 divided by 7. Now 260 divided by 7, you guys can multiply this. 260 by 7, everyone, what will be the value? Come on, you reply. Come on, I'm waiting for the response. Lot of students are watching the live class. Yes, please. 260 by 7. Who is writing here 200 by 7? No, Arush, you might make some mistake in calculation. Please go and repeat the calculation. There may be some mistake there. So 260 by 7. 260 by 7. And 260 by 7 will be what? If you divide 260 by 7, what will be the result? 260 by 7. 260 by 7. 7 3s are 21, 3 7 are 21, 21, yeah, 37 point something. 37 point something. 37.21 maybe. 37.21 maybe. 37.21 or 14, yeah. 37. So x will be equal to 37.21, 21, 5, 7, 50, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 47, 1, 7, 4, yeah, 1, 4. Yes, this is the result. So x is equal to 37.14. So 37.14 is what? X, and which is what? Entry fee for an adult person. So if anyone is adult, so adult person has to pay 37.14 rupees at the entry gate to get entry in the event that is going on in school premise. No problem, Arush, bro, it happens, yaar. Cool, chill, it happens. I hope everything is clear. Okay, someone is asking there, sir, could you please repeat from starting? So Swati, please focus here. So basically in this question, there is some condition given here. We are talking about a school organized a fair. Means there is an event in a school. The entry tickets for adult and students was different, and the entry tickets for adult person and the student both are different from each other. I mean, different entry tickets they are asking to get entry for adult and student in the event. Okay, on the first day, 3 adult tickets means the 3 tickets for the adult persons and 5 student tickets were sold for rupees 190 rupees. So this condition is given, but we don't know na what exactly the adult ticket is, what exactly the student ticket is, we don't know. So what we need to do here, we have to suppose. So we have suppose the entry fee for the adult be X rupees and suppose entry fee for the student be Y rupees. Supposing X and Y is very important, then only you can form the equation, otherwise you cannot make the equation. And if equation is not there, you cannot proceed the solution. And if you cannot proceed the solution, you cannot get the answer, right? So making the equation, forming the equation is very important. And to form the equation, you have to suppose the variables, right? So 3 tickets, 3 adult tickets, and what is we have supposed for adult? X. So 3 into X, 3X. And what we have supposed for a student, Y rupees for one student. And how many students are taking entry on the first day? 5 students. So 3x plus 5y, and how they were sold, I mean how many, what was the exactly costing for the ticket? 190 rupees. So 3x plus 5y is equal to 190. And similarly, one more situation is there. On the second day, same situation. So just simple, by making the equation, after solving, we got the, hello sir, new subscriber to Vedantu, clapping. Chandrika, very good Chandrika, all the very best, because you all are at the right platform, my dear. You all are the 10th titans, 10th warriors, and you all will be writing your board exam in the year 2027. So you all required, you all deserve someone, good mentors who can ensure you your preparation, your board preparation, who can give you complete academic solution in mathematics, in science, in English, in social studies, everything. And this is the right platform. Because we have proved, if you go to our the result we have produced from this channel digitally, that was magnificent, everyone. So congratulations everyone, you all are at the right position. Sir, distance, time, speed. I have picked a few questions from distance, time, speed. Don't worry. Who is this? Daksh. Hi, Daksh. Don't worry, champion. I'm here. This is the words of your Sonu Sir. I will be giving you complete mathematical solution. But my focus is to give you clarity on competition-based question, hot question. Because if you go to your senior and ask to the seniors who have already given their board exam previous year, I mean this year 2026, and they are promoted to class 11 PUC, they will be, telling you guys what kind of paper they got, mathematics paper especially I'm talking about in the board exam. Entire question was different. So if you are depending and relying only on NCERT, that will not be sufficient, everyone, because the questions are going to be, entirely different, competition-based question, and there will be little bit repeated PYQs. The questions are going to be different. So my dear, along with NCERT, you have to focus on some extra. I mean, you have to increase your problem-solving skill, your critical thinking, guys, so that you can ensure at least 95 plus marks in your board exam. Everyone, and you all deserve it. My champions, you all deserve it. Everyone. I hope you have understood my words. Thank you so much, everyone. Stay connected with this channel, everyone. So give me thumbs up if you all are satisfied, and if you all are aligned with my words, and if you all are going to obey, follow my words. Give me thumbs up. Show me your involvement. Give me some hearts. Please, I'm waiting for your response, everyone. At least I deserve this. Little bit interaction from you guys also, your involvement. Come on, show me your presence. Show me your presence. I'm waiting. Who will be the first student who will be sending me some hearts? Swati is the first student. Thank you so much, Swati, for showing your presence. Very good, Swati. No, Arush. No, Arush. This is not acceptable, Arush. Your thumbs up should be in upward direction. Not in downward direction. Hi, Inspire. Thank you so much for this red heart. Thank you so much. Thank you, champion. Thank you, warrior. Okay, moving to next. Okay, so for first question is done. The first question was form the pair of linear equation. This is the linear equation. Done. Second question, find the price of one adult ticket. Done. The adult ticket is of 37.14 rupees. This is also done. Find the price of one student ticket. One student ticket is 15.7 rupees. So this is also done. Who is this? Arush. Lot of thumbs up. Thank you, Arush. Okay, fourth question. Listen, champion, listen, look at the fourth question. If two adult tickets and 3 student tickets are bought, what is the total cost? Come on, 2 adult tickets, and for adult, what we have supposed, X rupees. So 2 adult tickets, 2X will be their equation, plus 3 student tickets. What is charge we have supposed for one student? Y. So it would be 2X plus 3Y. And we have the values. X we have is 2 into 15.7 plus 3 into Y we have, opposite, I'm writing here opposite values. So the values have changed. So 3x, 2x, so x we have is 37.14 plus 3 into Y we have is equal to 15.7. So please solve this. So what will be the result? That will be 74.28 plus 15.7. That will be 8. So this would be 87. This is 7 3 are 21, carry 2, 5 3 are 15, and 15 and 2 will be 17, 7 carry 1, 3 1 are 3, and this will be 4. So 47.1. Please add the numbers 74.28 and 47.1. That will be your result. Hi sir, new subscriber Pranav. Hi Pranav, welcome to Deeksha Vedantu's family. I hope everything is clear to you. If anyone is having any kind of, if you are having silly confusion, please let me know, sir. Please repeat, because I am dedicatedly teaching you guys for your betterment, for your improvement, to make you ensure your preparation for board exam. Please let me know, sir. Please repeat this again. I can repeat it again and again for you all. So 74.28, 47.1. If you will be adding these numbers, the result will be in front of you. Inspire motive Is this Shairi class, bro? Is this Shairi class? By the way, what is this? Let me read this again. Wow, wow, wow. Moving to next. Question number 2. How funny you guys, how sweet of you everyone. Okay, look at the question. Okay, so the second question is, Ria bought 2 kilogram apples and 3 kilogram oranges for rupees 260, right? Her friend bought 4 kilogram apple and 2 kilogram oranges for rupees 360. Okay, so this is the story, this is the scenario given there. Okay, theoretical part. Sir, is this channel useful for Telangana? Yes, of course. If I tell you one story, in previous board exam there was a guy, Sitiz, I forgot the name. He was, amazing student. He was basically from Telangana, and he was frequently joining our live sessions, every live session. And he joined when, before 2 months of the board exam, and he performed well. He scored 94 in maths. In this crucial, this kind of, after getting this kind of question paper in, the question paper was little bit lengthy and challenging this year, if you ask to your seniors. So he was from Telangana. So of course, Pranav, this channel is of course for Telangana student. It will be, it would be very beneficial and game changing for you. So stay connected here. Sir, please. Okay, so Ria bought 2 kilogram apples and 3 kilogram oranges. So listen, my dear. So Ria is a girl who is, buying 2 kilogram apples and 3 kilogram oranges for rupees 260. But we don't know what is the cost of 1 kilogram apple and 1 kilogram oranges. We don't know. So what we need to do here? What we should do here first? We have to suppose the cost of 1 kilogram fruits both. Each. So 1 kilogram apple be X rupees and 1 kilogram oranges be Y rupees. Then only you can write the equation, you can form the equation. And once you have done with the equation, everything will be mathematical calculation. So forming the equation is the most crucial part. Forming the equation, making the equation is the most important, vital part of the pair of linear equation in two variable word problem question. The student who have not clarity how to form the equation, such student can't perform well in pair of linear equation in two variable. So what you should do, what you have to do, what you need to do, read the question carefully, calmly, peacefully, read the question. So let's suppose, so I'm solving here. So I'm doing here solution. Please look at the solution, everyone. So let cost of 1 kilogram apple be X rupees, right? Let's suppose the cost of 1 kilogram apple be X rupees, and similarly let the cost of 1 kilogram orange, two fruits are there, no? We are talking about apple and oranges, very good. Orange be Y rupees. This is the most important part. Supposing the variable is most important part. And after supposing the variable, come on champions, come on my 10th titans, you can write the equation comfortably. There is nothing left. Now Ria bought 2 kilogram apples. Come on, how much kilogram? 2 kilogram apple. And what is the cost of 1 kilogram? X rupees. So according to question, the first equation will become 2x. Because the quantity of apple is 2 kilogram and the cost of 1 kilogram apple is, we have supposed, is X rupees. So this will be 2x plus, why we are adding here? Because combined cost of 2 kilogram apple and 3 kilogram is 260 rupees. Combined cost. So 3 kilogram orange. So 3y is equal to 260 rupees. Wow. We have formed the first equation, but the chapter name is pair of linear equation. Pair of linear equation. So how many equations we required? In every equation, 2 equations will be there, because we are dealing with pair of linear equation in two variable. So in every equations, there will be 2 linear equations in two variable. Yeah, this is clear with the chapter title, pair. Okay, so read next. Her friend bought 4 kilogram apple, so 4x, because the cost of 1 kilogram be x, and 2 kilogram oranges, so this will be 2y is equal to 360 rupees. So this is the 360, which is equation number 2. Wow, 50% of the solution is done. 50% solution is done. Now What we have to do? We have to answer these questions. 4 questions are given there, and how we can solve, how we can answer these questions by solving this equation. So you are free to apply here substitution method or elimination method, but I will personally prefer here elimination method, because elimination method is comparatively, I feel it may vary student or teacher to teacher, but I personally believe elimination method is far better than a substitution, but it reduces the time of solution. So we can eliminate whether we can eliminate X family entirely, or we can eliminate Y family also entirely. But to eliminate any one family entirely, the coefficients must be similar. Here the coefficient of X is 2, and here in equation number 2 the coefficient of X is 4. So we have to multiply equation 1 entirely, complete equation number 1 by 2. Then only we can convert this 2 into 4. And this equation number 2 will be multiplied by 1. Why? Because 4 here as it is will remain as it is. We want to convert this 2 into 4, so we have to multiply this complete equation by 2. Or if any one of you wants to eliminate Y family, my dear champions, you can proceed it. You can eliminate Y also. So to eliminate the Y family, the coefficients of Y must be similar. So here 3Y and this is 2Y. How the coefficients may be equal to each other? How we can convert? So this equation will be multiplied by 2. So 3 to just 6 will be there, and this whole equation will be multiplied by 3. So 3 to just 6 will be there. So we have to select accordingly which family you want to eliminate. Then only you will be able to decide by which number that equation should be multiplied, right? So let's eliminate Y family. Okay, so to eliminate Y family, I am multiplying this equation by 2, 3 to just 6, and I am multiplying this equation by 3, 3 to just 6. Wow. So after multiplying, if we subtract it, so I am subtracting here, so on subtraction the sign changes, so positive sign will become negative, positive will become negative, this positive will become negative, right? Okay, so let's do. So 2 to the 4x, 4 into 3 will be 12x. So 2 to the 4x minus 4 into 3 will be 12x. So 4 minus 12 will be minus 8x. Why I am writing here minus? Because 4 into 3 is 12. 2 into 2 is 4. So in 4 and 12, which is greater? 12 is greater, and 12 is having negative sign. So negative sign will carry forward, right? Now, moving to next. So 3 into 2 will be 6x, and 2 into 3 will 6y, and 2 into 3 will be 6y. So this family will be eliminated. Entirely eliminated. So we have only one variable which is left there is x. Okay, now moving to next. Okay, so 260 into 2 will be 520. 520, let's do it in rough. 520, right? 520, and 36 into 3 will be what? Come on, champion. So this will be 6 3 is 18, and 3 3 is 9, 110, 10. Oh my God, 520, and 360 into 3 will be 1080, and 520 is in plus sign, and 1080 is in negative sign. So negative sign will be carry forward, because we are subtracting greater value from a smaller value. So let's subtract this. So 108 minus 520, this will be 0, and this will be 6, and this will be 5. 560 is there, right? So we can write here minus 560. So minus minus cancel here. So x we have is 560 divided by 8. 8 7, wow, x is equal to 70 rupees we can write, because x is what? X is the cost of 1 kilogram apple. So similarly we can find out y. So to find out y, we can use any one equation. So let's use this equation. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 260, and x we have already calculated. So 2 into 70 plus 3y is equal to 260. So 70 into 2 will be 140, plus 3y is equal to 260. So 3y is equal to 260 minus 140. So 260 minus 150 will be 120. right? So xy will be equal to 120 divided by 3, which is equal to 40 rupees. Wow. So the cost of 1 kilogram apple is 70 rupees, and the cost of 1 kilogram of orange will be 40 rupees. So write the pair of equation. We have solved. This is the pair of equation. Find the cost of 1 kilogram apple. 1 kilogram of apple cost is 70 rupees. So let's write here 70 rupees, and this is 40 rupees. Now, which fruit is costlier per kg? Obviously, this is clearly visible. X is greater than Y. So the cost of 1 kilogram apple is costlier than, so we can write here, apple is costlier than orange. I hope everything is clear. Yes. Hi Akila. Ishan. Hi Ishan, welcome. Sir, welcome. Superb, yaar. I hope this question is clear to you, everyone. Yes, please tell me, everyone. Please let me know. Everything is clear. I hope you guys have understood the solution well. Please let me know, champion. Clear to all? The student who have not clicked the subscribe button or like button of this class, please hit the like button now. Go and hit the like button, everyone. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all, champions? Yes. Yes, sir, crystal clear. Very good, Akila. Superb, Akila. Superb. Clapping for you. Yes, I'm waiting for others' response. Yes, everyone. Should I move ahead to the next question? Should I move ahead to the next question? The student who have not clicked the like button, please go and hit the like button, everyone. Without wasting a second, go and hit the like button, champions. So moving to the next question, question number 3. Question number 3. Okay, so this is age type question, champion. Please be ready for such questions in your half yearly exam or in any class test in your school, in your college, everyone, because being a math teacher, I know the importance of this question, age concept. Generally, most of the teachers, they used to ask in their class test, in their final, half yearly examination, or any type of test will be there in your school. So this is very important question, everyone. So please stay very focused way here. Please pay attention and try to understand how to solve such questions, age-based question. Okay, I'm going to give you few short tricks, tips and tricks for this question. Sir, 4 parts, please. Okay, Swati is asking, which fruit is, you are asking for this, Swati? Okay, Swati is asking which fruit is costlier. Costlier means higher price. So my dear, X is 70 rupees and X is what? X is the cost of 1 kilogram apple that we had supposed. And Y is what? Y is the cost of 1 kilogram orange. And in 4th part, the question is asking which fruit is costlier per kg. Which fruit is costlier of 1 kg cost, they are asking, which is costlier. So apple is, we are getting by 70 rupees. If we will be paying 70 rupees, then we can get 1 kg apple. And for, and for orange, what we have to pay? Only 40 rupees. So which is costlier? Apple is costlier. Clear? Clear, Swati? Clear, Swati? Okay, moving to next. In general, if you go to in present time to buy apple or orange in any fruit seller, in any fruit shop, so in present time also, I felt it, I bought some apple yesterday, so apple is costlier than, orange, okay. Apple is around 220, 250 kilogram in Bangalore, and orange is close to 120, 150, so yes, it is there. This is reality. Okay, moving to next. Okay, so please focus here. Class 10th champions, class 10th titans, everyone, my dear champions, board warriors, focus here. Okay, so the question is, the present age of a father is 3 times the age of his son. Okay, after 10 years, very good, means we are talking about future. After 10 years, the father's age will be twice the son's age, okay. find their percentages. So let me give you a very important short trick to do age-based question. So everyone, listen here. No sir, it's 100 rupees per kg in Haryana. Okay, superb. So listen, champion. So what you need to do whenever such questions comes up in front of you in your exam, age-based question. So let's talk about some practical reality. My dear students, if I ask you how old I will be after 2 years, will you be able to reply this question? Can you answer this question? How old I'll be after 2 years? You cannot, because you don't know my percentage. If you don't know my percentage, how is it possible for you to reply how old I will be after 2 years? You cannot. Yeah. Or how I was before 2 years, 2 years ago, 2 years back. You cannot, because you don't know the percentage. If I ask you, there is a boy who is standing beside me, and I'm asking you how old this boy will be after 5 years. So first question that you are going to ask, sir, what is his percentage? Then only we can give you the result how old he will be after 5 years. I hope you are getting my point. So without percentage, without knowing the percentage, we cannot answer the age after or before. So what we have to do in every question, always let the present age of the individual present in the question. Number of persons. So first, my dear champion, I have already uploaded one more video, one shot of pair of linear equation in two variable. So before solving these questions, I would suggest you everyone to go and watch the video, one shot of pair of linear equation in two variable, which has already been uploaded on the channel. Come on, go. Everything I have discussed there. Board stream question, age-based question, two-digit number question, fraction-based question, everything we have discussed in that video. I have discussed. So I'm pretty much sure you guys are going to watch that video, one short video. Okay. So first find out how many persons are here in the question. So there are two persons, father and son. We are talking about father and son. So what we have to do here? What we need to do? Let their percentages first. So solve. So let the father's present age be X years. Make sure to write here years only, don't write rupees. Because we are talking about age, and age always comes in years basically. So don't write rupees here, kilometer per hour. Age cannot be in rupees, age cannot be in kilometer per hour. So this is age, so X years. Okay. And the son's present age be, we are supposing both. Present age be, what will be the present age? We are supposing both. So Y years. I hope till here everything is clear. So we have supposed, and if you follow these steps in mathematics in CBSE, generally evaluator follow step marking. So my dear champion, after writing the proper manner, proper steps, you ensure your benefit. I mean, half marks you can get here if you follow the steps, because in mathematics you guys get the marks step wise. And you all know nowadays your evaluation, your answer sheet is going to be, evaluate using digital, OSM, right? So everything is digitalized, so a scanning will be there. So if you follow the proper steps, if you make your solutions very impactful, clear, step wise, then only you will be able to get full marks. Otherwise your marks will be deducting there. So I hope, yeah. So now. So look, now read the question carefully. We have supposed the values, now read. The father's the present age of a father is means we are talking about present time. So father's present age is 3 times the age of his son. And what we have supposed, the present age of father is X. So according to question AQ, father's present age X will be equal to 3 times. So times means multiplication. Times means, if times is there, times means multiplication. Please make sure everything. This is multiplication, right? So 3 into Y. Okay, the first equation is ready. Now moving to next equation. After 10 years, come on. After 10 years. So we are talking about here future. Come on. After means future. And in future, always add. Always add. If before is there, ago is there, always subtract. But if after is there, later is there, if some word like this is there, so always make sure to add the values. So what we have to add, listen, after 10 years, come on. My dear students, father and his son, both are human beings. So father will be 10 years older after 10 years. So son will also be 10 years older, na? Because both are human beings. If father will be 10 years older, so son will also be 10 years older. Because both are human beings. So after 10 years, the father's age will be, so after 10 years, the father will be x plus 10 is equal to father's age will be twice. Twice means multiply. Twice the son's age. So son will also be 10 years older. So after 10 years, he will also be 10 years older. Kindly modify this equation. So this is, okay, so this is y, sorry, y we are, this is y. So son will also be y. So solve this. X plus 10 is equal to 2 into y, 2y, and 2 to ja, 2 10 ja 20. So 10 will go there. So x is equal to 2y, and this 10 will go there. So 20 minus 10 will be 10. So we have second equation. So this is first equation, this is second equation. This is x is equal to 3y, and this is x is equal to entirely this. So from equation 1 and 2, this is equal to x and this is also equal to x, so both will be also equal to each other. So 2y plus n is equal to 3y, so 2y will go there, so y will be equal to 3y minus 2y will be y, so y is equal to 10. So now you can put here to find out x. So 3 into 10, so x will be equal to 30. So clear? So find the present ages. My dear champion, after getting the values of x and y, please make sure to write the information correctly in words. So the father's present age is, because now everything is cleared, this is x, so this is father's present age is 30 years. We have calculated now x, and the son's present age b, or b, no, this is because we have confirmed now, so we can write is. We have confirmed is, what is this, x, y is 10, so is 10 years. This is the solution. I hope everything is cleared. Yes. Okay, who is this? Prince. Hi Prince. Hi everyone. Okay, yes, clear to all? Everything clear? Please let me know in chat section, everyone, class 10th warriors, 10th titans. This solution is clear to all? Give me thumbs up. Show me your presence. Show me that you all are awake. Come on, send me some hearts, everyone. So forming the equation is very important. This part is very important. Forming the equation. The beauty of this pair of linear equation in two variable chapter is to making the equation by after reading the question, word problem question. If you are confident in making the equation, it indicates that you all are in the race. 50% of the solution of any word problem question is entirely based on making the equation. Yes, wow. Yashini, hi Yashini, hi everyone. Prince, yes, thank you. Okay, moving to next question, question number 4. Okay, someone is there in chat section who was asking to solve a speed based question. So this is little bit linked with that, everyone, please focus. This question is very important, downstream and upstream. So look at the question. Okay, a boat goes 30 kilometer downstream in 2 hours, okay, and 20 upstream in 2 hours. Very good. Find the speed of the boat in still water and okay, and speed of the stream. Okay, my dear class 10th warriors, listen here. In word problem question, in this particular chapter, in most of the question, in 90% of the question, what you need to do, always go to the last line. I mean, the variable that you have to calculate. So in this question, we have to calculate, we have to find the speed of the boat in still water and speed of the stream. We don't know. We don't know the speed of still water, I mean boat, and we don't know the speed of stream. So what we need to do? Suppose. So if we suppose here, suppose the speed of the boat in still water. Still water means when the water is not flowing, the rest water, which is called still water, be x kilometer per hour. Okay, we are talking about speed, so make sure to write the unit also, x kilometer per hour. And the speed of the stream. Stream means flowing water, flow of water, current of water. Speed of the stream be y kilometer per hour. My dear champion, please focus here the words downstream and upstream. What is called downstream? So basically, let me clear you here. So that is the reason why I had already suggested you to go to my one-shot video of pair of linear equation into variable. I have already explained everything, every concept of downstream, upstream in that video. So make sure to watch that video, everyone. This is my personal suggestion to you all. Okay, so let me give you the clarity what is called downstream. Listen everyone. Downstream means what? When the boat is going in the direction of flow of water, means water is flowing in this direction and boat is also going in this direction. So the stream of water will be favoring the speed. I mean the stream of the water will be pushing the boat in the forward direction. So downstream is clear when the boat is going in the same direction of the flow of water. So let me write here, same direction with stream. Okay, same direction. So what will be the speed? What will become speed? This is called downstream speed. The speed will be x plus y, right? Because the boat is getting favor of stream of water because both are in the same direction. Okay, so the net speed will be x plus y kilometer per hour. Now moving to upstream. My dear champion, upstream is what? When the boat is going in the opposite direction of water. Means the water is flowing in this direction and the boat is coming in this direction. The water is flowing in this direction and the boat is coming in this direction. Means the flow of water will be opposing the boat. The speed of water, the flow of water will be opposing the boat. So the speed of the boat will be decreased. And that is the why. So let me write here opposite. For your clarity, for your visibility, I am giving you the here in language form also, opposite direction to the stream. Opposite direction to the stream. So the upstream will be what? X minus y. Because x was the speed of boat in still water. Now the y will be opposing it. So x minus y kilometer per hour. I hope this is clear to you all. Clear everyone? Now moving to question. Okay, so when the boat is goes 30 kilometer downstream, it takes 2 hours. So do you know, my dear champion, we know we have a formula, speed is equal to, if you remember, speed is equal to, yes, distance upon time, right? So if we apply this formula for these two conditions we are talking about here in this question. So for downstream, speed is what? X plus y. So this will be x plus y. And in downstream, how much is the distance? 30. And what is the time? Time is 2. So this will be cancelled here. So x plus y is equal to 15. We have first equation. Similarly, if we apply this formula to this upstream. So upstream speed is x minus y, and the distance covered in upstream direction is 20 kilometer. So x minus y will be equal to 20 divided by, what is the timing? 2 hours, and 20 by 2 will be 10. So this will be the second equation. I hope everything is clear to all. Please let me know, everyone, in chat section. X plus y is equal to 15 and x minus y is equal to 10. So we can eliminate which family? Y family. Why I am prioritizing y? Why I am aligning with y to eliminate that? Because one y is in positive form and other y is in negative form. So whenever such condition comes up, one x is in positive, one x is in negative, or one x is positive and one other x is negative. So if the signs are different, always make sure to eliminate that family by adding the equations. So just add it. So by adding this, y cancel here, because one y is positive, one y is negative, and x plus x will be 2x, and this 15 plus 10 will be 25. So x will be equal to 12.5, and x is what? Speed. Okay, so 12.5 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. And we have to find out the speed of stream also. So what will be y? Y will be equal to, we can use any one equation. So this is y will be equal to 15 minus x. So y is equal to 15 minus, this is 12.5. This will be equal to 2.5. The speed of stream 2.5 kilometer per hour. I hope this is clear to you all. Yes, let me know in chat section. Yes sir, now this question is clear. Now the concept of upstream and downstream is crystal clear. Please let me know, everyone, in chat section. Please let me know, everyone. I'm waiting for your response, your kind response. So this is very important, guys. Class 10th Titans, board warriors, my lovely kids, this is the important thing that you should remember. You should memorize. The downstream speed is x plus y, and the upstream speed is x minus y. And here is x. X is the speed of boat in still water, and y is the speed of stream of water. Yes, is it clear to all? This question is clear to all? Any problem? Yes, students, please let me know. Yes, my dear students, please let me know. Everything is clear? I'm waiting for your response. Any confusion? Anything which is troubling you guys? Should I move ahead to the next question? Yes, my dear lovely kids, please let me know. Okay, moving to the next question. Question number 5. Wow. Yeah, good question. The sum of the length and breadth of a table is 25 centimeter. Its perimeter is 50 centimeter. If the length is 5 centimeter more than its breadth, okay, find the dimension. So the question is asking to find the dimension. It means that the dimension is unknown. We don't know dimension. So what we have to do here, we need to assume, suppose, let the dimensions. We don't know the dimension. No? What is length and what is breadth? We don't know. So let's suppose, let dimension means length. Length is equal to x. Make sure to write centimeter. And breadth, we don't know breadth also. So let's breadth be y centimeter. We have supposed. Now you can read the equation. Question from starting. The sum of the length and breadth of a rectangle is 25 centimeters. So the first equation is ready. X plus y will be equal to 25, because we have supposed here. We have assumed length as x and breadth as y. So sum of x plus y will be 25. Now its perimeter is 50 centimeter. Do you know, if I talk about one rectangle is here, the length is x and the breadth is y. So do you know what is called perimeter? This will be also x and this will be y, and the perimeter is the sum of all the boundaries. So we have formula of perimeter. If you remember, 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into x plus y will be equal to 50. This is 50 here. So 2 will go there, 2 will go there, 2 will go there. So again we are getting x plus y. Oh my god, the equation we have in first form is same, and the equation that we are getting from this information is also same. So this is not making any sense. This will not be helping us because both the equations are same. So let's write here equation number 2 I'm writing here, but by the way both the equations are same. What happens? Okay, both the equations are same. So I'm writing here 2. Now both the equations are same, so we cannot solve x and y. So let's moving ahead. Now if the length is 5 centimeter more means what? More means add. Less means minus. More means add. And the length is 5 centimeter more than its breadth. So what will be the equation? So the equation length we have assumed is x. So x will be equal to 5 more. So plus 5. From whom? 5 more from whom? So 5 more than its breadth, and breadth we have assumed as y. So x is equal to y plus 5 we have. So this is the second equation. So this is third equation. Now first and second both are same, so they are not making any sense. So now we can operate first and third. So substitution, we can apply substitution method. So I'm writing here substitute equation third in first, right? Substitute equation third in first, or you can also put in second also, because both are same. So y will be x will be replaced by y plus 5. So x plus y is 25. So at the place of x we can write here y plus 5, and one more 5 is already there. One more y, this y is already there, is equal to 25. So y plus y will be 2y, and this 5 will go there, so it will become 20. So y we have is equal to 10. And once we get y, we can find out x. So x will be 10 plus 5, and which will be 15. Clear. So what is the dimension? So it is clear that, so we can write here final answer. Make sure to write the final answer in words. So length is, what is length? X is the length. So length is 15 centimeter, and breadth is what? 10 centimeter. This is the answer. I hope this is clear to all. Yes, clear everyone? Clear everyone? If this question is clear to all, please give me the response, give me thumbs up in the live, in the chat section, sorry. Yes sir, this is clear. Now moving to next question number 6. So now this question I'm giving you as your homework, everyone. I'm giving you this question as your homework, for your homework. Please try and do let me know the answer of this question. I will be waiting for your response, everyone. Yes sir, Yashini. So Yashini, will you be able to solve this question? Let me give you the short trick. Read the question, but unfortunately you didn't understand the question. Don't worry, come to the last line. Look at the last line. Find how many chocolates of each type were bought. We don't know how many chocolates are there. How many chocolates of each type were bought? So there are two types of chocolate, type A and type B. But we don't know the exact number of the chocolates of type A and type B. So what we have to do is let type A, number of type A chocolate will be X, and let's suppose type B, number of chocolate of type B will be Y. You have X and you have Y. Now after reading the question carefully, make sure to write the equation, and once you have equation, you have done with equation, the entire remaining work will be of calculation. So what is the most important thing here? Making the equation, forming the equation. So I hope you guys can solve this question well. I have already given you the hint. So suppose x and y, and now read the question carefully and solve the question. So let me give you one equation. Let me form one equation. So type A cost 10 rupees each, and type B cost 15 rupees each. Very good. There is a student. So a student buy 12 chocolates for rupees 150. How many chocolates he bought? 12 chocolates. So one equation is already done. X plus y will be 12. Because he is buying the chocolate of both types. And how many chocolates are there? 12 chocolates. So x plus y will be 12. Now, how much he paid? He paid 150 rupees for 12 chocolates. Right? So what will be the cost? 10 for each type, 10 rupees. Type A cost 10 and type B cost 15. Right? So what will be the next equation? This will be 10 into x, because the number of type A is x, and 15 for B, so 15y. And how much he paid? He paid 150 rupees. Wow. The second, we can take here common 5. So after taking common 5, this will be 2x plus 3y, and this will be 30. I have taken 5 as common. 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 30 into 5. Wow, we have second equation. Look, listen, I have given you the both equations. Now you can solve. You can apply substitution method. From this equation, separate x. So x can be written as 12 minus y. And now you can put this value here in this equation to make the single variable. So my dear champion, I have already done the question. Almost 80% of the solution I have done. Now the rest part you will do. Yes, Arush, is it clear? So I hope you guys have enjoyed the session, today's class. Okay, Sonu Sir, thank you, Arush. So I hope, I'm pretty much sure you guys will be catching me in my next live session, and stay connected with the channel. I'll be coming out with chapter number hopefully trigonometry very soon. One shot of trigonometry and live classes of trigonometry. So my dear 10th Titans, 10th Warriors, stay connected with this channel. And my dear champion, you know, success has only one address, and which is consistency. So if you are coming on this channel with consistency, then only you can make it fruitful and productive for you all. So I'm looking forward to catch you everyone. You guys are awesome. Sir Vedantu on top. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much. And I'm looking forward to catch you everyone in my live session. So till now, stay blessed, and bye-bye. Take care of yourself and take care of your parents. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and share this channel with your friends and with your classmates. So looking forward to catch you in my next live session. Bye-bye everyone.